Avner M Pariat, one of Shillong's active young social workers, had made an announcement through the media on the 6th of December 2022 of his candidature to the upcoming 2023 General Assembly elections in the state. Pariat, who will be contesting from East Shillong constituency against Ampareen Lyngdoh on a ticket from the newly formed Voice of the People party, informed that he had decided to officially associate himself with the party, particularly for its principle of clean politics.
Da bantuan saya seperti naka site rungi naka liang jungaru bangi ngala runga po jongka PPP, but nilai sedang berpikir hunu ia kena election ke banwan ia ada cara pulai baru sekatu ngaya limba kiwi parti benta limba kumu independen bermenta pada nilai rung sepo PPP kerang ban kampet scam susu nama ngihap jengmut bagi nongrem juki, but kita ketika daw balik bagi belakang ni mata kibun bah ki bangi kuat ban pen bahas susu bangan sukran tah konstituensi te lapet babun bah ki kambala su sa teng la bun sedam menta pen pe ka koi ka khia ru ka dekawai ka bai ima bah apa konstituensi ngakwa ban pen bahas susu ia ke ki dispensary ki civil hospital ngakwa ru ban ailat ki samla ban yo ki la ban kamai ban khamban bahas susu ka kamai ka ji kata dekawai te bat sa ki wiki mata ki ba abun ha kata ka di tangya ka constituency ken